Hi, I am Sandhya. Welcome to Quest for Maths channel. First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss work and wages in time and work concept topic. Before going to discuss, we need to know the 3 steps. First one is what is one day work? Second one is find the ratio. Third one is find the share. Suppose A can complete the work in 3 days, B can complete the work in 6 days. Both together can complete the work and their wages is 1800. Find the share of A. So A is 3 days, B is 6 days. So step 1 is one day work. So one day work A is equals to one day work is 1 by 3. B one day work is 1 by 6. This is the step 1. Step 2. Find the ratio. Suppose 1 by 3, 1 by 6 ratio. 6 LCM, 3 twos, 1s. So ratio is 2:1. Next, find the share. Step 3. A is to B share ratio is 2:1. Find the share of A. Total how many parts? 3 parts. Out of 3, A share is 2. So 2 by 3. Their wages is 1800. So 1800. 3, 6. So 1200 is the share of A. If in case find the share of B, they will ask, you can find out of 3, what is the share of B1 into 1800. So 600. 600 is the share of B. This is share of A. Like that, we can solve these problems. So, what is the main? Here we have to know the 3 steps. One day work, second one is find the ratio, third one is find the share. Suppose if the working days increases, their wages also increase. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ వర్క్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళ యొక్క పేమెంట్ కూడా ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వర్కింగ్ డేస్ తక్కువ ఉంటే వాళ్ళ పేమెంట్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. లైక్ దట్. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఇక్కడ మనం వన్ డే వర్క్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా రేషియో తీసుకోవచ్చు. A is equals to 3 days, B is equals to 6 days. So LCM is 6. 3 twos, 3 ones. This is the ratio. So we have to solve all this problem like this. We can solve this problem like this. First question, A can do a work in 3 days, B can do same work in 2 days. Both of them work together and gets 150 rupees. What is the share of A? ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ముందు చూసాం కదా, సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, A can do in 3 days, B can 2 days. So LCM is 6. 3 twos, 2 threes. So this is the ratio. So we have to find out the share. So share of A. So Total how many parts? 5 parts. Out of 5, the share of A is 2 parts. Total wage is, and they will get 150 rupees. So 5 3 is 0. So 60 rupees. 60 is the share of A. If in case they will ask share of B, so B is 3 out of 5 into 150. So 3 is 90. So A get the share 60 rupees and B get the share 90 rupees. This is the first one. Coming to the second problem. A and B undertook to do a piece of work for 4,500 rupees. A alone can do it 8 days, B alone in 12 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 4 days. Find the share of money is. Here A and B do a piece of work for 4,500 rupees ki work చేశారు. A alone 8 days, B alone 12 days. With the help of C, అంటే both A, B, C కలిపి 4 days. So what is the share of C? So here we can find the share of C. So A is 8 days, B is 12 days. We don't know C, but we know A plus B plus C is equals to 4 days. A 8 days, B 12. We don't know C how many days, but we know 3 of them work 4 days. So first, so here what is the LCM? 8, 12, 4 LCM is 24. So A 3, B 2s, 12 2s 24, 8 3s 24, 4 6 are 24. So A plus B plus C is equals to 6. Here A plus B, 3 plus 2 plus C is equals to 6. So C is 1. So the ratio of C is 1 days. So total how many days C can work? 8 3 is 24, 12 2 is 24, 24 by 2 is equal to 12, 24 by 3 8. So 24 by 1 is equals to 24 days. So C can work in 24 days. So find the what is the ratio? A is to B is to C is equals to 3 is to 2 is to 1. What is the share of C? So out of 6 parts, share is 1 part. Total they will get 4,500 rupees. So 6 7s, 6 5s, 0. So find the share of C is equals to 750 rupees. In the same way we can find out the share of A and share of B. And మనకి వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్స్ కరెక్టా రాంగా అని ఎలా డిసైడ్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఏ యొక్క షేర్ అండ్ బి షేర్ అండ్ సి షేర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే టోటల్ అమౌంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 4,500. You can see here in first question the total amount is 150. So A gets 60 rupees, B 90 rupees. Both A plus B is equals to 60 plus 90 is equals to 150. So మనం కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ అని డిసైడ్ అవ్వచ్చు. సేమ్ లైక్ దట్. Coming to third question. 3 persons undertake to complete a piece of work for 1,200 rupees. The first person can complete 8 days, second person 12 days, and third person 16 days. They complete the work with fourth person in 3 days. వాట్ డస్ ఫోర్త్ పర్సన్ గెట్? దీని ముందు ప్రాబ్లమే చేసాము, సేమ్ అదే ప్రొసీజర్. సో సపోజ్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 8 days, B is equals to, so B 12 days, C is equals to 16 days. We don't know fourth person, but we know 4 persons can do it in 3 days. So ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ఎల్సిఎం. వాట్ ఈస్ ఎల్సిఎం? 48. 8 6 times, 12 3s, 12 4 times, 16 3 times, 3 16 times. So this is the ratio. Total A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 16. We know A, B, C, 6, 4, 10, 13. So D is equals to 16 minus 13. So D is equals to 3. The ratio of D is 3. How many days D can work? 48 by 6 is equals to 48 by 8 is equals to 6. 48 by 12 is equals to 4. 48 by 16 is equals to 3. So like that 48 by 6. So D can work in 16 days. But ఇక్కడ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? హౌ మచ్ అమౌంట్ డీకి ఎంత అమౌంట్ వచ్చింది అని అడిగారు ఫోర్త్ పర్సన్. సో టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ parts? 6 4 30 10 13 16. Out of 16 D share is 3. Total amount is 1200. So 16 7s, 16 5s. So 225 is the share of D. Next, A, B, C completed work costing rupees 1800. A worked for 6 days, B worked for 4 days and C for 9 days. If their daily wages are in the ratio of 5:6:4, how much amount will be received by A? This is very simple question. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇచ్చిన డేటాని రాద్దాము. A is 6, B is 4, C is 9 days. If their daily wages అంటే వాళ్ళ డైలీ వేజెస్ అనేవి A అనేది 5 parts, B అనేది 6, C అనేది 4, ఇలా డైలీ వేజెస్ ఉంటుంది. సో A డైలీ 5 ఉంటుంది, B డైలీ 6 ఉంటుంది, C డైలీ 4 ఉంటుంది. సో 6 5s are 30, 24, 4 6s are 24, 36. So 6 5s, 6 4s, 6 6. So what is the ratio of A is to B is to C is 5 4 6. ఇంకా what is the amount received by A? So A is 5 out of 15. Amount is 1800. 15 ones, 2 zeros. So 600 is received by A. This is the amount received by A. Coming to fifth question. It's very important question. Mostly 5th and 6th question models asked in exams. 5th question. If 5 men or 7 women can earn rupees 5,250 rupees per day. How would 7 men and 13 women earn per day? ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు 5 men's or 7 women's in per day 5,250 rupees. So 5 men's 5,250 rupees per day. రూపీస్ ఏం చేస్తారు 1 men how much by 5 so 1050 so 1 men is equals to 1050 per day. Like that 7 women can earn 5,250 rupees. So 1 woman how much earn per day by 7 750 7 7s are 49 50 35. So what is asking in question 7 men so 7 into 1050 1 men so 7 men's 0 35 7 13 woman 13 into 750 0 65 7 and 13 7s 91 91 6 97 rupees. So both ఎంత అమౌంట్ ఏం చేస్తారు సో 7 men 13 women is equals to 7350 plus 9750 that is equals to 0 10 11 17,100 rupees. Next 2 men and 1 woman together can complete a piece of work in 14 days while 4 women and 2 men together can do it 8 days. If a man gets 600 per day, how much should a woman get per day? ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు 2 men 1 woman ఇద్దరు కలిపి 14 days వర్క్ చేస్తారు 4 women and 2 men together can do it 8 daysలో వర్క్ చేస్తారు and 1 man get per day 600 rupees. How much should a woman get per day? This is the question. Solution 2 men 1 woman can do work in 14 days is equals to 4 women and 2 men can do it work in 8 days. 2 sevens 2 fours 14 men 7 women can do it is equals to 16 women plus 8 men 14 men 8 men 8 men itself వస్తే 6 men is equals to 9 women 2 men is equals to 3 women 1 woman is equals to 2 by 3 men. This is the 1 woman is equals to 2 by 3 men. We know the amount of 1 man per day. What is that? 600 rupees. So we can substitute here 600 rupees. 1 woman is equals to 2 by 3 into 600 2 times. So 1 woman is equals to 400 rupees per day. So ఒక ఉమెన్కి పర్ డే 400 రూపీస్ వస్తుంది. సో మీరు ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ తీసుకొని సాల్వ్ చేయండి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే డెఫినెట్గా మీకు ఇంకా మంచిగా ఐడియా వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ దిస్ వీడియో ప్లీజ్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.